Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I want to talk about insurance. What is insurance? In the United States, the tax on the interest income on life insurance policies and annuities is differ. Moreover, in some cases, the benefit differ from tax deferral might be offset by a long return. This depends upon the insurance company, the type of policy, and the variety of monthly market return etc. Moreover, other income tax saving features. Burial insurance is an old type of life insurance which is paid you want to cover financial expenses at the cost of a funeral. Property insurance provides protection against rights to property such as fire, theft, or weather damage. This might include special from the insurance such as fire insurance, flood insurance, earthquake insurance, home insurance, inland marine insurance, or boiler insurance. The term property insurance might, like casualty insurance, be used as a broad category of various subtypes of insurance, some of which are listed below. Aviation insurance protects aircraft hulls and spares, and associated liability rights such as passenger and third-party liability. Airports may also occupy under this subcategory includes air traffic control and influence operation for international airports down to small domestic export. Boiler insurance, also known as boiler and machinery insurance or equipment breakdown insurance, insurance against accidental physical damage to boiler equipment or machinery. Motorized insurance, insurance against the risk of physical loss or damage to property during institution. Motorized insurance is typically written on an outright basis covering damage arising from any cause, including the neglect of the insurance, not otherwise explained in English. Motorized insurance is covered that protect a person or organization insurable interest in material, vehicle or equipment being used in the transition or in renovation of a building or structure so those items subtraction physical loss or damage from an insurance peril. Crop insurance may be purchased by farmers to reduce or manage various risks associated with growing crops such as include crop loss damage caused by weather, hail, drought for damaged pets, includes especially in case or disease some of the species that non-perils. Index insurance use model of how climate extreme affect crop production to defend certain climate triggers that if surplus have high probability of causing substantial crop loss. When harvest are associated with excluding the climate trigger the result, the index insurance farmer is efficient compensation payment. Earthquake insurance is a form of property insurance that is paid the policyholder in the event of the earthquake that causes damage to the property. Most ordinary home insurance policies do not cover earthquake damage. Earthquake insurance policies feature a high deductible. Rest depend on location and health like help for an earthquake as well as the reconstruction of the home. Fidelity bond from a casualty insurance that covers policyholder from loss insurance as a result of fraudulent as the specific individual. It usually insurance as business for loss caused by the illness of its employee. Flood insurance protects against property loss due to flooding. Many U.S. insurers do not provide flood insurance in some parts of the country. In response to this, the federal government created the National Flood Insurance Program, which serves as insurance of a last resort. Home insurance, also commonly called hazard insurance or homeowners insurance, often available in the real estate industry as HOE, provide coverage from damage or injury for the policyholder home. In some geographical areas, the policy may include certain types of rights such as flood or earthquakes that require additional coverage. Maintenance related issues are typically the homeowner's responsibility. The policy may include inventory, or this can be bought as a spare policy, especially for people who rent housing. In some countries, insurance offers a package which may include liability and legal responsibility for injury and property damage caused by members of their household, including pets. Okay guys, this is brief discussion about insurance. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe YouTube channel, and see you next time. Okay, cool.